Yes, Parrot continues the naming of their drones with musical themes, and this is the Disco. Now, Disco is a fixed-wing drone with a single propeller, so pretty much they've got a true, drone or plane, true RC plane. Now, from Parrot, this is a really lightweight drone that's easy to manipulate and fly. So it's got a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour. It's got a range of 1.25 miles. It's got a lightweight plastic body. That's something that if it crashes into a tree, you can easily use it, which is great. And again, like I said, I mentioned the weight. It's something you can easily carry around. You can see the reference taking it there. It's got a front-mounted camera, 14 megapixel camera, shooting for at least 10 80 for you. Now, this is still a prototype. This is not a finalized model, so we don't know about pricing or release date yet. But it's got a ton of features in there. It's got a gyroscope, accelerometer, things like that to help you navigate and fly this thing, which is actually pretty cool. I love the look. I love the fact that it's a fixed wing plane. You can detach the wings on each side, which is how you actually assemble it together. But I love that it really feels like a plane in terms of just, what drones have become lately. Now, in terms of software complements and controls, you can use the Parrot Sky Controller and the FreePlay 3 app to actually navigate this, mounted here with a tablet. But some of the software features allows you to go ahead and map your flight path by easily pointing and clicking. You don't have it here, but they demoed that in a sense where you can point and click and map it around. So hey, you fly down here, take a right here, go up this way. That's something you can do. Also, you can use an old RC controller to actually use it. So it's really cool that I really like these. Again, I haven't really been able to fly around, but hopefully so you guys have to put these in comments. Let us know.